in this Pioneer DJ CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 tutorial, the tempo sync button, the beat sync on the CDJ 2000 Nexus 2. How does it work and what to look out for? Coming up. This video is a preview of my CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 course. The link to the course is in the description below. The beat sync is over here. Let's say I want to copy over the BPM, so 124.8. Copy over that to my second player, because I want to beat match. Then I can do that with the beat sync function. Now, right now, my master player is this player and my slave player is this player. How can you know that this is the master, this is the slave? Well, the master is off here and the master is on here. On the master player there will be a light that lights up master. If I want to copy over the tempo of my track of my first player to my second, I have to make sure that this is the master player. I set this player as master, then the light will go off on this player. Now you see that something funny has happened. I don't know if you can see it, but on the display here it says 124.8. This is because over here the sync light is on and the sync light is off on player 1. Sync light on means use the BPM of the master player. Now this player is master, this player is slave. Let's play the other player. And now I want to change the tempo and copy over the tempo back to player 1. So then I have to make sure that this one is the master. I'm playing the other track. This one is master. That one is slave. Notice that by pushing the fader down of the master player, the master skips to the other player. This is something that the CDJs do automatically when you connect it with the Pro DJ link connection. You'll see that I have put down the sliders and now master is lit up here, but is going off here. Let's first change the tempo of this track. This one is now 132. I want to make this 132. This one is master. Now I copy over by pressing sync. And now you'll see that the tempo has changed from 124 to 132. But what happens to the tempo if I copy over the tempo from player 2 to player 1? Because then the value of your slider isn't correct. Let's show you. This player is the master, this player is the slave. So let's play both of them. Now it says 128 BPM over there. I'm gonna copy those 128 to this player, so I press sync. Now 128 BPM is copied, but the value of the slider isn't correct. When I move it up or down, you'll see an error message on the display, and that error message says tempo change not possible with sync on. So if we want to change the tempo, we have to set it to off. So I disable sync by pressing sync. Now I can change the tempo, but this tempo isn't correct. The current value of the slider is displayed over here and the tempo of the track is displayed over here. It says move tempo slider to current BPM, so we have to move the tempo slider to 127 BPM, and when we reach that point you can see I can now change the value. More CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 tutorials in the playlist here in the screen. Also a link to my CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 step-by-step course. Also here in the screen, links to both are also in the description below.